I've learned a system that makes hard work feel like TikTok. It makes work fun and addictive. And I'm going to show you how you can start to use that today. I'm working with a friend who are coming from school. He's slightly taller than me and we're wearing these backpacks in our uniform. We're talking, we're having a good time, except I'm actively trying to walk faster. So he's walking slow in a normal pace, but I'm trying to walk faster. So in this weird situation where I take 2 steps forwards and then I take 2 steps back so that I can walk at the same pace with him. He's walking slow because he's not in a rush, but I am in a rush. And so we walk and then we eventually get to a place where he stays, and then I'm now on my own and I start to run. I'm running, then I'm walking fast and everyone is looking at me as if I'm weird. But in that moment I just did not care. I couldn't wait to get home so that I can work. It's funny, right? I was running looking like a weirdo because I wanted to get home fast and then start working. Now I can imagine and contrast that with the life of the average person nowadays. You can't even sit down for 30 minutes to do the work. They don't even want to sit down. But there I was running because I needed to get here and do these things that I love. So there are ways that I'm going to give you today which you can apply, and then you're going to see this same thing happening. So for you to make your work feel easy and enjoyable, there are 2 things. Number 1, you can make the work more fun. Number 2, you can make your life boring. I'm going to show you how to do both of them, and if you're a genius, you're going to combine the 2. The first way, let's talk about how to make hard work fun. First, you gotta make sure that you are doing the work that you actually want to do. I don't like reading. I hate reading. So because of that, I don't usually study. And my mom usually, she gets angry with the fact that I don't read books, but I don't like it, so I don't do it. And for you too, before you look for any tactics, any metrics, just ask yourself, do you even like this work that you want to do? If that's the case, then you can use the second tactic, which is do that work at a time that you like to do it. So you like to do the work, yes you do, but are you doing it at a time where you like to do it? Because we are told online that you must work early in the morning or late, but the best thing to do is to just work at a time that you completely want to work. Because I used to try to record videos, I used to try to edit videos at night when everyone is sleeping, and try to script at night. The thing is, I did not like doing that. So when I started to script videos, I was feeling sleepy and my head was in pain. Imagine trying to work and literally being in pain, physical, mental pain. So what I do now is I just started to just script in the morning when I script my videos, my bullet points. I try to do it at a time that is convenient for me. Sometimes I would script before I go to school. Sometimes I'll script and then record a video, but I'm doing it at a time that I like it, not what everyone says I should like it. So do the work at a time that you want to do the work, and do the work that you want to do. The next framework is to make your life boring. But before you complain and think that I'm going to start to live like hell, let me teach you how to do this in a way that you actually like, in a way that does not steal your soul. Okay, so you must turn off notifications from all social media platforms. When someone uploads a new video or when someone sends a message, you cannot see it unless you've opened the app. And this is exactly how these companies trap you. They lie to you that if you don't have notifications on, you're going to miss out. But you're not going to miss out. I can promise you won't. The second rule, that if you watch videos on YouTube, just promise me that from now on, each time you open a video, you're going to watch it to the end. Because I used to just jump from video to video and I would just waste so much time. I started to regret it. I started to wonder how the time go by so fast. You click on a 3-minute video, then you open your eyes, 1 hour later you're now watching this podcast randomly. I was just jumping from video to video, and because of that I was just wasting so much time. My life was boring. I was becoming this loser. So this rule that I gave to myself is that when I click a video, I try by all means to watch that video to the end. And sometimes it's hard, but you must always stick to it. When you watch a video, watch it to the end. Yes, you're going to give YouTubers more watch time, but you're going to learn and you're going to apply. This is very, very important. I can guarantee. Don't take this lightly. So you can combine the two by making your work fun and then making your life boring at the same time. I appreciate every comment that I get and every like. Subscribe. It's free. You can always change your mind.